The carbs are cursed. Hi folks and welcome back. Okay, the carbs, I've spent hours on them, and these bits I've cleaned. I've been so careful. They were coming back to life, but disaster has struck again. Look, another broken bit. The pin is still stuck in there. It's that seized. The first brake, I reckon I could have repaired that, but this one, no. What can I say, folks? They're doomed. They've beat me. And unfortunately, I can't afford replacements. I've been kindly given a project that I don't have funds for. I've made a general list of things to do so you can see the bigger picture, and it puts it into perspective. So what do I do here? That is a pile of great videos that I can't do at the moment, and I'm sorry. It's so frustrating. I've got my mind set on improving the channel. I love what I'm doing, folks, and I want to produce regular videos with better content for you all to enjoy. Done. Looks better. So that leads me to this year's plans. At some point in the foreseeable future, I will be launching a Patreon page. Patreon is a simple way to contribute, which will help in production, and you get rewards in return. Don't worry, there's no obligation, and my videos will always be free. No, that's definitely not rust, it's more like cowpat. That's a really good disc underneath all the muck. Now back to the bike. I'm going to carry on with the cost-free bits for now. Then it'll be back to more R1 rat survival project early spring. It'll give me a chance to launch the Patreon, let it get established, then hopefully have some funds which should work out well for next winter. So summer's the R1 and winter's the GS. That disc is beautiful now. Oh, it's flat. Yeah, the front tyre, it keeps deflating. It's either a slow puncture or a dodgy valve. Yeah, valve seems okay. Okay, next time it's a special video, a rat bike photo collection, and a chance to show off your rat bike. It's exciting. So thanks for watching, folks, and it's probably a good time to tell you I've named the bike. He's called Haywire. Take care, have fun, and ride safe. Wiring inspection next.